Alright, so this is a quick guide on how I made this particular track using stock plugins. Alright, we are in Cubase 5 now. I know most of you are using Cubase 14. I mean, think of the latest version of AutoTune. No need to worry about, just watch what I'm going to show you in today's video and apply to any mix. I mean any DAW. So the very first thing that I did was I cleaned up the vocals. If you haven't watched my video on how to clean up vocals fast, the link will be in the description box, or you can watch the video that's gonna pop up on the screen over here. All right, so the first thing I did, I cleaned this particular vocals, and next thing I did was I created this group track over here. If you have been watching my videos, I mostly mix my track on a group track. All right, I route all my recorded tracks to the group track, as you can see over here, so you can give it a name that you want. And on the group track, let's open that, and we're gonna bypass everything and I will introduce them step by step. This is the simplest way you can actually mix. We're gonna consider each step, no need to worry. So first thing first, I'm gonna loop this section over here, then hit P on the keyboard, and for it to loop you need to turn this on. All right, so let's listen to the vocals without any effect. Anyway, there's AutoTune here, so I'm gonna mute this. Listen to the vocals without any plugin.
See now, everybody know I'm not loving sauce. Enemies me tell them say bomba clot. No matter
I'm gonna bypass the beat. Listen.
matter what go and come you go pass. Action we don't joke, that be the fat. Insas be the best, so yeah, to the gang them off and know so we be central presec. AP Bontia, tell them insas.
Alright, so you can actually hear the vocals are clean. What you need to do is to record clean vocals. If you want your mix to sound great, it starts from recording. All right, so next thing I did was I routed this particular tracks, individual tracks, to this group track. As you can see, group 1 over here. If you want me to take you through step by step, I have a full video taking you through, so you can go to my channel and watch those videos. So on the group track, the first thing that I started with the compressor, and this is the default compressor coming from Cubase. All right, just apply the same knowledge in Pro Tools, Logic, Cubase, FL Studio. Think of any DAW. So this is the compressor over here, and this is my threshold, my ratio, then the makeup gain. I have a full video taking you through step by step how to use a compressor. If you are newbie, then you can actually check out those videos. Now let's listen to the compressor alone. I'm gonna enable the compressor. Okay, so subscribe to the channel if you are new here, give the video a like if it helps you. Now listen to the compressor.
Now everybody know I'm not loving sauce. Enemies me tell them say bomba clot. No,
so without a compressor, listen.
No matter what go and come you go pass. Action we do.
So I'm gonna bring in the compressor and take it off. Listen.
We don't joke, that be the fat. Insas be the best, so yeah, to the gang them off and know so we be sent presec.
Alright, so you can actually hear the volume has been increased. Mixing is all about volume level. Super simple. So I'm gonna add the beats. Listen.
AP Bontia, tell them see now, everybody know I'm not loving sauce. Enemies me tell them say bomba clock.
Alright, so next thing I added was this Fab Filter Pro Q3. All right, and guys, I bypassed this particular Fab Filter Pro Q3 in this particular mix, and I introduced the DSR because I want everything to be stock plugin. All right, so I will show you where I did my EQ. Watch the video. Now this is the DSR, and the work of the DSR is to take off this siblings and the pops. There's SS and the PPs in our mix. Super simple. If you want me to take you through step by step, I got a video there, so you can actually go and watch that. Listen.
See now, everybody know I'm not loving sauce,
and I chose the male heavy preset over here.
Enemies me tell them say bomba clock.
So anytime there is SS or P's, this is gonna dark it. All right, it's gonna come inside and reduce those SS and the P's, the siblings. You feel me? I feel you. Let's move on.
No matter what go on come.
So I'm gonna add a beat.
Come you go pass. Action we don't joke, that be the fact now. Everybody know.
Alright, super simple. So guys, next thing I introduced was the denoiser. I don't want noise coming from my AC, my fan, the room noise, refrigerators. We don't want that, so you need to de-ess it. Alright, and I use the de-esser from Cubase stock plugins only, step by step. And this was my setting: the reduction, the ambient, the offset. You can take a screenshot of this.
Then why man I loving sauce. Enemies me tell them say bomba clat. No matter what go on come you go pass. Action we don't joke, that be the fact.
Alright, so next thing I introduced over here was the gate. Alright, I want to set a gate for certain frequencies to pass through our mix. Alright, and I chose this preset, clean lead vocals, and this was my settings. Take a screenshot and listen to that.
Everybody know I'm man loving sauce. Enemies me tell them say bomba clat. No matter what go on come you go pass. Action we don't joke, that be.
That's super simple. So right after this, on the insert track, I created FS track, and the first FS track was the reverb A. Alright, this is the reverb A, and I'm using the large preset. This was my settings. I'm going to show you the pre-delay, the room size. You can take a screenshot of it. If you are also new to reverb, I got full video there taking you through step by step. If you want to know the cheat code that the pros are using, then go to my channel and watch the reverb cheat code, and that video gonna take your mix to the next level. Alright, so this is the reverb I created. Then I also created mono delay, and I'm using the sweet vocal delay. I'm going to show you how I send them to the group track. Super simple. Then I have this stereo enhancer, and this is to widen up the vocals. Alright, if you are new here, we want to make our vocals spread. I mean, we want to create that stereo effect. So these were the three effect plugins that I use, and I'm going to show you step by step how I apply them. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So the very first one that I introduced was the stereo enhancer over here, and this was my settings. I just widen up the weight all the way up like this. All right, listen.
Be the fat, inside be the best, so yeah, to the gang them off, you know, so we be central, presec, API bontian, tell them, inside, with the rep come many things, in a inside, my school be good, tell them me no be bad.
So the more I dial in, the more stereo effect that we are creating, and I gave it about -19. Super simple. Next thing I introduced was the reverb A. All right, and I send them over here. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like. This is the reverb. Listen.
In this life, me a truth and no lie.
All right, so we want to wet our vocals. We don't want the vocals to be dry. Super simple.
API bounty man a rapping sauce. Listen now,
Alright, if you are new to reverb, I have a full video taking you through step by step. So let me add the beat and now listen.
Everybody know I'm man a loving sauce. Enemies me tell them say bomba clat. No matter what go on come you go pass. Action we don't joke, that be the fact. Inside be the best, so yeah, to the gang them off, you know, so we be central presec. API bounty tell them inside with the rep come many things.
So right after that, what I did was I EQ'd this part. I cut off some of the low ends. That's why I bypassed the far filter, Pro Q. Then I boosted the high ends over here. If you are new to EQ, go to my channel and watch the videos on EQ. Super simple. Let's move on. Alright, so after everything, I introduced the AutoTune, and I'm using AutoTune 8.1, and the key for this particular song was C#, as you can see over here, and the scale is minor, and this is my routine speed, the correction star, the humanize. You can take a screenshot of this. If you are new to AutoTune, guys, this is the best channel for you. I will take you through step by step, so go back and watch my previous videos on AutoTune. Now let's listen to the AutoTune on the vocals.
See now, everybody know I'm an all loving sauce. Enemies me tell them say bomba clot. No matter what go on come you go pass. Action we don't joke that be the fat. In sauce be the best so yeah. Tell the gang them off you know so we be central presec. AP about here. Tell them in sauce we the
This is super crazy. If you are new to Cubase and you want to know how to mix your vocals, you can actually follow this trick that I've shown you in today's video. Now that you know how to mix with Cubase stock plugins, then watch the next video to know how to mix with Waves plugins. Super simple. Until then, give the video a like. Let me know where you are watching me from. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.